Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to change font size in Overleaf text editor of my research article. Very easily, you can change any types of font or upload different font tag using this tips and tricks. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. So let's start as a demonstration. So simply open here Overleaf text editor. So I open my research article. So simply I want change the size of this particular introduction spelling or this template spelling. So how to do it? Simply open Google and type here font size in LaTeX. Click first link. So here several font size template text is available. Refer the font size. So just simply I open use this /large. So select going to here and just type here /large. This paragraph or the particular line are automatically comes in large, but I want only large this portion. So just simply copy this one, copy the tag and paste it here. So my font size only increase this one only. So you just change again large capital letter here. Again font size is change, increase the font size very easily using this font tips and tricks. Several font sizes available here: medium, bold, upper line, underline. Several options are available here. So simply I want select this one, command B, or just type here text BF in bracket. This text automatically in bold letter are come using these features. Very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.